As we all have a passion for lab work, let's start in our own biolab. Take a look around at our products. This is why we call ourselves the Liquid Handling Company. All you need for the transfer of liquids from the microliter to the liter range. Automated liquid handling is also part of our solutions. You'll see more about it later. It all started with volumetric glassware more than 70 years ago. Follow us to see what it takes to turn a blank into a precise volumetric instrument that can carry the Blaubrand brand. You'll be surprised to see how much modern technology and automation we use to give you the best results. Class A volumetric instruments are still the most precise tools to measure liquids in the lab. And we have developed automated calibration processes that ensure reproducible results and eliminate human error. Each and every volumetric instrument is calibrated individually under carefully controlled conditions so that you can focus on your analysis with the trust in Blaubrand quality. Follow us now into a completely different world under our roof. The manufacturing of life science consumables. What you see here is the raw material that we turn into quality lab products. Virgin plastic resin for our life science consumables. Injection molding is a key manufacturing technology in our belt. You may imagine how much experience it takes to manufacture a product like a long, thin-walled pipette tip. We even make some of our tools for special applications in-house. We are one of the world's leading manufacturers for cuvettes and certainly the quality leader. Enjoy a few scenes from our automated cuvette manufacturing. In Wertheim, we operate one of the world's largest clean rooms for laboratory disposables according to ISO 14644. Everything from temperature to particle count is closely monitored and controlled. You might be surprised how few people you see inside. Automated processes are a great way to prevent any source of contamination. Here you see how a plate is plasma treated, printed and stacked without any human interference. Samples taken from each batch are carefully checked for quality. For instance, in this visual inspection. Here, technology and human experience work hand in hand. Let's have a look at the third technology under our roof. We'll show you how we make our well-known liquid handling instruments like the transfer pad or dispensette. Also, with our liquid handling instruments, quality starts with the raw materials. This is our stock of high-quality plastics, and you'll see now how we machine it into components for our instruments. In this case, a seal for a transfer pad S micropipette. Quality components are assembled to become quality instruments, again under carefully monitored conditions and with careful testing. Now let's see what happens when you place an order with us. Take a look inside our new brand logistics center. Most of the orders you place will be ready for shipment within a very short time because we have the product in stock. Here you see our automated small parts warehouse, all automatic and controlled by SAP S/4HANA in order to get your product to you as quickly and efficiently as possible. All the technology and investment you have seen is there for one goal: to give you the simple, easy and efficient experience when you work with brand. For example, with the HandyStep Touch, the first repetitive pipette with touch screen control. Or with the liquid handling station, our pipetting robot that makes it easy to get started with automated pipetting.